Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing. I had to take a peek. I wasn't sure what it was, but now I know it is Amazon. So here we go. I thought it was a purchase I made, but nope. Here it is. And let's see, you guys will get one at low cost and see what other goodies they have available right now besides this item. Bada boom, focus, quality, innovation phone case. We got dirt proof, shock proof, scratch resistant. And you definitely need that, especially with those pens. They scratch the phone up pretty good. Here's that. Now let's take a look. It's going to be for the Galaxy Ultra 20. I think that's the number it's on. There we go. Let's take a look inside and see what it looks like. Come on. There we go. Alright. Should fit it. How do I open it? How do I open this thing? Hold on. Alright guys, you had to pull it apart at the corners and then flip it over. So now I'm going to take the old case out. This was a nice can with stand with the kickstands. I like those. So hopefully I can get some of those in. I gotta remove the bubble wrap. Screen protector, old one. And then got those out. You can always take your cloth and wipe it down. Make sure you got the wet side first, and then to dry it off, use the dry side. Pretty easy to use these things. Take this like this, and this clean up around. Make sure sometimes the camera lens too. Get that clean. Might as well, you know. Expensive phones, especially if you damage the cover or the front. I can't believe they want to charge us $250 for that. That's nuts. There's no way it costs that much to fix. But they want to gouge us every money which way they can. But this will help you guys protect your phone more. I clean the side of it. But we got a little Sprint. Oh, T-Mobile now, but Sprint, you never know. There we go. This is nice and clean. Now I'm going to wipe it down with the dry side. Number 2, it says right here, dry. Just dry it off. Your phone will be happy. It's clean. There you go. Just wipe it down. Dry it off. There we go. See guys, nice and easy. Clean enough. Okay, so just gotta pop this guy in here. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. And then lock it in. Pull tab. Oh no. Why is there a hole there? Alright guys, I'm not sure exactly why the hole's there, but when that pops up you can barely see it, so I don't think it's going to mess with any TV viewings while streaming or stuff like that. I don't think it's going to mess it up. But it's easy to use. If you're looking for a good one at a low cost, I'm going to try it one sec. I want to see. I don't think it does because, I mean, I'm watching Entourage. Can't really tell at all that there's a little zipper right there. A little bit. I mean, if you're not that picky and just want to protect your screen, this is a good one to get right here. Easy to use, easy to install. Sure everything's safe. Right there. Here's a back. It's alright. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. I'll have the links down below. And you guys have a great weekend. Be safe. And see you guys pretty soon. See ya.